Damn, no tricks, that shit really bang.
What if this were my last breath? Would you take it with me? It's probably the death. You've just begun to see how you made me forget the weaknesses in me. You taught me to stand up and fight what's meant to be. In your sorrow, saying, baby, it's okay. Knowing there is no tomorrow, dying every single day. Every time I said it's hard to take that there's no fucking way, you would smile at me and argue that's the price you have to pay. So you staring in the mirror, clearly looking at your own decay. I could see it coming nearer, dear, it has taken you away. You said please don't interfere, tears roll down my face. There is nothing there to fear, we're just gonna live this way. What if this were my last breath? Would you take it with me? It's probably the death. You just began to see how you made me forget the weaknesses in me. You taught me to stand up and fight what's meant to be. I will